Okay, my name is architect Danilo Yee. I do construction work and I also do designs for buildings and hospitals. And aside from construction, I am a major supplier of ready-mix concrete. 3 years ago, I was invited by a friend that there are some Dutch visitors who has some programs for businessmen in the city. And I realized that here's Netherlands, first world country, who is, I think, about 50 years ahead of us and who are willing to share their knowledge and their experience. I availed of the program. It is very, very good. It is very noble for Netherlands to do that to a third world country and to a guy like me here in this part of the world. The PUM presented the different businesses that they helped, and I specifically asked for an expert who would help me design my concrete and make it viable and profitable so that I will be competitive in the city. And they sent me exactly that, the expert, and he came over, and then what he did was he looked at my sand, he looked at my gravel, and then he tested my cement. We experimented with the different concrete designs until we come up with the right formula for whatever materials I have here in the city, and we call it the Bert formula in honor of the expert who came up with the right formula so that we can save money on cement and other things.
Since we are a family corporation, we usually have our business meetings also discussed over lunch and dinner.
Yeah, 3 years ago when the expert came and he gave me all of this advice, I was so elated that his office, PUM, invited me to go to Amsterdam and to further study concrete. And my wife and I went and we had a 2-week course there, a crash course about concrete, and I had learned so many things.
Even though the construction industry is mainly for men, we are about 40% female in this company. We have very diligent and industrious female engineers, architects, and at the same time, office staff.
So I asked him to come again, first maybe to test the Bert formula that we came up with, and then I wanted him to validate that how I set up the new plant where I put the cement batching plant, the aggregates bin, the water source, and the motor pool and everything. And he was quite happy with what he saw when they came for the second time. He did not expect the huge change. I would even say dramatic change from who I was before PUM and then who I am now with all the setup and everything. He was quite happy.